This is 1720 Lombard Street, large apartment building in Philadelphia. Bordering the Rittenhouse Square and Graduate Hospital neighborhoods. Beautiful tree-lined street. Rittenhouse Square is just a couple blocks north. Beautifully maintained apartment building. Very secure and safe. Code entry to access. This is some of the common area. Really pretty landscaping. A lot of very unique, character-filled apartments. This is the property. And really pretty. Yeah, there's all sorts of units here. This is the entrance for most of the units. There are some entrances along here. And one apartment in there. This is the mail area. How you doing? This is the mail area. Second locked door here. On every floor there's a trash chute. Okay, right there. This is the elevator to get to many of the units. Enter. Now we're going to the basement to show you the additional laundry services. Right here, some additional laundry services. Most of the units have stackable washer and dryer inside the unit. Okay. There is recycling in here, but trash can be dropped through the chute. Tons of security throughout. You'll see lots of cameras. And that is the majority of the common space. Now we're going to head up onto the unit floors for whichever apartment you're viewing now.
Hello everyone, just got fifth floor and came out of this elevator. I'm about to show you a one-bedroom unit on the 5th floor. As you come out, the first thing you see on your left is the exit door next to the unit I'm about to show you, and here you have on your right you have these trash chutes. There are a couple of apartments that way, but the unit I'm about to show you is unit number 507. It is a one-bedroom unit. All right, as I get in, wow, you have a lot of, almost too much, a lot of natural light because I didn't bring the curtain, the blind down. You see, very bright room, a lot of natural light, and a beautiful, beautiful hardwood floor. It's very high ceiling. I could say above 10 feet easily. It's very high ceiling. Here in the living room, you have this nice storage space. Over there, we have a kitchen. This is what it looks like from this end. On my left, you have a kitchen. You have this whole space for the living area. You also have this beautiful view of the city. You'll be watching that way to the airport. Been watching to the south west of the city. Alright, then I would like to show you the kitchen. In this kitchen you have a lot of storage cabinets on both sides. You have a gas oven and cooktop. You have a built-in microwave. You have a refrigerator. And also on this side you have a dishwasher, a garbage disposal, a brand new washer and dryer, laundry machine. Everything you need in this space. Then the next place I would like to show you is the bedroom. The bedroom also has these two huge windows and a lot of natural light, very bright. They have huge closet space, two actually. First one on the left, it has a shelf and high. Then you have another one on the right. Big space. This is what it looks like from here. Bedroom. A nice size bedroom. You have also a beautiful view. Nice. Watching southwest side of the city. Then the last room I would like to show you is the bathroom. Actually, a big bathroom. A big bathroom. You have a beautiful tile floor, nice tile wall, deep bathtub, and shower combo. You have sink, medicine cabinet. You have a toilet. Nice. The room has central air and heat. You could control it from here with this thermostat. And I just showed you this beautiful one bedroom apartment in Bickman's Place. The building is very beautiful building. It is located at 1720 Lombard Street. I thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. Bye.